My name is Ren, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your CountFast deck called CountFast 24. Again, this is a blue box, so it's a game. It's 24 using addition and subtraction, the numbers 1 through 10. This is similar to the other decks that are also blue. We've already gone over how to play CountFast 6 and CountFast 12. But now we're starting to get more challenging by increasing the numbers we're using. So now we need to add up to the number of 24. Once you open your box, as always, you'll have a math focus card, which gives you the overall concept of the deck. You'll also have your instruction card, which teaches you how to use the cards. This game is geared towards students 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. It's a little bit more challenging because we're getting bigger and bigger numbers. But as your kids start to play their earlier versions of this game, they'll want to be challenged. So what you'll want to do is within your deck, you'll see that there are different colors of cards. So again, we've got yellow, blue, pink, green, and orange. We also have a time record so that as you do the cards, you can keep track of your student or kid's time. So on day 1, you'll want to start with your yellow deck. And the object of this game is to create the number 24 by using every number one time, and you can use addition or subtraction. It's not always necessary to use both functions, so it just depends on what the card is. And again, many of these cards, as in the other 2 games, there may be multiple ways to arrive to the answer of 24. So in this example, we have a 2, a 7, a 6, and a 9. So in this one, to get to your answer of 24, you can do 9 plus 6, which is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. And 22 plus 2 would give you the correct answer of 24. Again, there's 10 cards in every colored deck. So you'll want to go through all 10 cards with your child or student and record their time on how long it took them to get through all 10 of those cards. Every day you can do a new stack of cards. We recommend that you work on these cards for about 10 to 15 minutes a day. And it's okay once you finish your 10 cards to go back, mix them up in random order, and then go through the same color again. Because again, lots of these cards, there are more than one way to come up with the answer. So let's look at one more example. In this deck, we have a 1, a 9, a 10, and a 6. So in this deck, you can take your 10 plus 9 to get 19. Your 6 minus 1 will give you 5. And your 19 plus that 5 will get you the correct answer of 24. So again, using every number one time, and you can use addition and subtraction to create the number 24. Again, this is a little bit more challenging, but it's really fun, and kids will start to get really confident and motivated, and they want to be challenged. So it's a great game to play as a class or with a partner or with multiple small groups and make a game out of it, or even really turn this into a tournament where kids can get really hyped up and want to play against each other, because you'll see that they can really start to get fast at seeing patterns in numbers as they're doing all of these different decks of cards. So it's interesting to see as your kids start to work through these, because again, a lot of times they'll start to beat the adults in the room because they're practicing and they're learning how to count fast.